So hi guys, welcome back to our channel Vedangas. So guys, we are back with a new syllabus of BCom Computer Applications. So in this video, we will discuss about the Relational Database Management System RDBMS. So guys, before going to the video, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for the latest notifications. So guys, in this topic, we will learn about the Relational Database Management System, which describes about what is RDBMS. And also we will state the difference between DBMS and RDBMS, that is Database Management System and Relational Database Management System. So let's start. So in this, a relation in a relational database is based on a relational schema. The schema means it is a syllogistic figure of database. We can say that it is the representation of a plan or a theory of database, which consists of number of attributes. And in a relational database, it is made up of number of relations and corresponding relational database schema. The goal of relational database designs is to generate a set of relation schema that allows us to store information without unnecessary redundancy and also to retrieve information easily. And in one approach to design schemas that are in an appropriate normal form. The normal forms are used to ensure the various types of anomalies and inconsistencies are not introduced into the database. Anomalies means something that deviates from what is standard, normal or expected. So the data types ensures various types of anomalies and inconsistencies. What is RDBMS? So we can say that the RDBMS stands for Relational Database Management System. And these data is structured in database tables, fields and records. Each RDBMS table consists of database table rows, and each database table rows consist of one or more database table fields. And that Relational Database Management System stores the data into collection of tables, which might be related by common field, database table column. And it also provides relational operators to manipulate the data stored into the database tables. Most Relational Database Management System uses SQL as database query language. The SQL database is a computer language for storing, manipulating and retrieving the data stored in the Relational Database Management System. You can also say that all the Relational Database Management System like MySQL, MS Access, Oracle, Sybase, Informix and SQL Server use SQL as their standard database language. The relational model is an example of record-based model. And these record-based models are so named because the database is structured in fixed format. It is fixed in fixed format, records of several types. In this, each table contains records of a particular type, and each record type defines a fixed number of fields or attributes. The column of the table corresponds to the attributes of the record types. The relational data model is the most widely used data model, and a vast majority of current database systems are based on the relational model. Now coming to the differences between database management system and relational database management system. So as per this, a database management system DBMS has to be persistent. That is, it should be accessible when the program created the data ceases to exist, or even the application that created the data to be restarted. Or a database management system also has to provide some uniform method independent of a specific application for assessing the information that is stored. And here the relational database management system, it adds the additional condition that the system supports a tabular structure for the data and enforced relationship between the tables. This excludes the database that don't support a tubular structure or don't enforce relationship between the tables. You can say database management system does not impose any constraints or security with regards to data manipulation. It is user or the programmer responsibility to ensure the asset property of the database, whereas the RDBMS relational database management system is more with the regard, because relational database management system defines the integrity constraint for the purpose of holding ACID property. So thank you for watching the video.